Ang rotate clockwise. Mas madali.
Third now, third now. Thank you.
Wait lang, K1. Okay, game.
First now, first now. Oh, I'm fucking dead. Heal me. Thank you. Second now. Touch that shit. Third now. Don't come near me. Touch that shit. Heal up the party. And drop all defensive now. Drop all defensive. Thank you.
Uy, Conan, sayaw.
Sige, hindi naman masyadong masakit.
Sayaw, anong sayaw, ulol?
Number hood ko yan.
Tayo rin.
Oo. Ba't namamatay ako?
Hindi kasi na-damage ka.
Ayoko na nga dyan.
Ikot ka na lang muna. Para ma-heal ka namin.
Paano mo nadadamage dun?
Yung yung sunstrike. Yung laser.
Alam mo bakit, tol?
First now, first now. Keep on healing the party.
Go.
Heal me please, don't come near me. Second now.
DPS you need to dodge na.
You need to dodge well, guys. Dodge. God roll, third now.
Mauna na kaya. Move from down.
Dropping my fort.
Keep rotating, keep rotating. Okay.
Dodge po, dodge roll. First now, please. First now. Thank you.
Oh my god, tinulak kayo pa alis ng fallen.
Second now. Dodge that shit, masakit. Hindi umabot yung second. Heal me, third now. Thank you. Dodge that.
Dodging, keep dodging.
Okay. Dodge. Oh my god. Drop all defensive, please. The BMS, thank you. Hindi masakit yan. Yeah, pero just dance pa rin. O saan na yung mga tropa?
Uy.
Ba't nandiyan kayo? Uy, King!
DPS, oy. Yagi, pag dumami yung bola mamaya, malulunod tayo sa bola.
Lahat na. Tulig, pangkina. Isa labas. Pwede ba kayo?
God roll, you need to DPS.
First now. Tang-inang yan. What the fuck,
Ikaw
bro?
na kasi ang sumayaw. Dapat si Godroll din na sa gitna eh.
Second now. Limang rotation to, ah. Third now. Don't come near me.
Don't freeze, don't freeze switch on. Baka maabutan ng fallen.
First now. Second now. Third now. Dodge that. Okay. Ready to dodge this, laser. Dodge that laser. And drop all defensive now. Go. DMS. Thank you.
Lumalabas talaga si Godroll.
Hey,
For
Godroll.
dance.
Clear, bro. Sayaw.
Hey, Godroll. You want me to kick you? Then we will kill you. You want that?
Ayaw sumayaw, tol.
How can you learn this, boss, bro? We need DPS. Oh my god. Fucking idiot.
Come inside, bro.
Just walk, what the fuck? If you don't know how to dance in real life, just walk here in Dancing Wind. Second now. Okay. My God. Third now. We are struggling in DPS. Then you're going out.
Yan
Oh
yung
my
mga
God.
bola. Yan yung mga kalaban natin. Keep moving, keep moving.
First. Thank you. Keep on moving.
Strike 2. Uy,
Ay, volleyball. Second now.
Oh, fuck me.
Go inside.
Ikit.
Third now.
Penguin, heal penguin.
Thank
Oh
you.
my god.
Rest Wayne, heal please.
Daspo. Come up, Daspo. Hello, full E.
Drop
Nice.
all defensive.
Someone revive penguin, please.
Go up, then heal. One.
Dip.
Lucy, dance, please.
Dodge a bit.
Touch a bit.
Oh my god, Lucy.
Oh my god.
Naka-royal shoes ka pa niyan.
Oh my god,
Kaya
magre-regen lang
pala ayaw
to.
mo mag-dance eh.
DPS, full DPS now.
Come back, Lucy.
Come back, first now.
Ano? Nagdinan pa na kita. Nakita ko local.
Second now. King, don't come near me. You'll be dead. Third now. Move. Don't come near me, please.
Heal trophy.
Heal
Heal
me.
trophy, Daspo.
It has a
Daspo.
helmet. First now,
Focus
first
on-
now.
Focus on
I'm
trophy,
dead.
Daspo.
I'm dead. First, I'm dead.
Focus on trophy, Daspo. We'll heal the rest of the party. Just heal trophy.
Second now.
Sino to?
Don't drop your third.
Nakaapat na down
Uy,
frame.
apat na to.
Oh,
Daspo first, Daspo. Ay, umigit na daw din ako. Lucy, Daspo muna. Si Daspo. Malakas yung heal ni Daspo. Si Daspo muna. Okay, Daspo. And then Daspo, heal yourself, tas revive. Switch on.
Ayaw daw.
Sayaw, darling.
Okay. Naku, sula. Daspo.
Let's
Oh
go.
my god, Daspo. Wait.
Nabuhay ka.
Wait, na-revive niya ako. Dasbo, hindi ka pwede tumayo sa malayo. Sa loob, Dasbo. Huwag kang lalayo, Dasbo. Hindi ka mamamatay ka dyan.
Okay.
Revive niyo
Keep
ako.
on.
Okay.
I'll do the first defensive.
Dinalibol ako pre.
Who's next?
Dinalibol ako.
Okay, we have all defensives here. I will rest Jiren.
Third now, if you have third now, if you
Stand
have.
by.
We gonna die.
Catch the fallen trophy. Catch the fallen. Oh my god.
Oh God.
Dasbo, you need to dodge Dasbo. Oh my god. Revive Dasbo again.
Oh no.
Revive Dasbo. Oh my god. Wala. Oh my god. Catch.
Reset. Wala na to.
I survived.
Aldo si Mikay, tol.
Paano ko lalabas dito? What the fuck? Ako na lang.
Sayaw lang.
1v1 kami.
Mototak mo, no? Long term.
Ano yun? Sorry.
What did the reason about?
Sorry, ano yun, Jai?
Your Lola died off. Oh.
Kay Dachi, Mike.
Sora.
Sorry.
Ano yun? Sino yung nagtawag sa akin? Wait lang. Let's give some pointers. Dasbo. If you're dodging the dance, just stay here inside the circle.
Ano,
if
Everyone
Eh, eh.
go out. Everyone
go
go
out
out.
first, go out first, go out first.
Anong sindiyo si par?
My God, nail ko pa si Jairen.
You don't have time, bro. Kaya ka na mag-Yossi. Come, everyone. God roll. Oh my God. You can just stay in the middle, not in the outside.
Yeah, you can just stay in the middle, bro. We have two healer.
Oh my God. In the middle of the boss. Go to Conan.
Yes, go to
Where did you learn that? Going outside of the Dancing Queen. My God.
20 man yun eh.
Wait lang, Lucy. Lucy. Passive 2. Passive 2. Sa Fallen. Para hindi ka naubusan. Passive 2. Pag nalolow ka na, mag-hit ka ng boss. Pag wala kang Limhurst, tas wala kang mana pots.
Huwag ka mag-Carleon Cape, Conan.
Puta, nakalimutan ko na naman.
Okay, I'll start the boss. Everyone come. Jairen. Okay. First now. First. Thank you.
Don't freeze the healers. Freeze yourself.
Second now. Ako pin-free.
Yeah,
Third
not
now.
the wag yung defensive. Freeze yourself. Don't freeze the tanks.
Don't press other DPS either. Kaaway tayo. Uy, go.
First now. Sakit yan. Second now.
Ito talaga paborito nitong bolo.
Third now.
Tol, yung bola, tol.
Drop all defensive.
Gadron. Middle, gadron.
Lucy!
Lucy, anong ginagawa mo?
Easy dance, Lucy. Pag yung mahirap na dance, Lucy, tingin ka lang sa sahig, tapos small step. Dapat nasa inner circle ka para madaling mag-dodge. Pag lumayo ka, mas mahirap.
Second now.
Si Jaren.
Ewan ko. Si Gadrol na naglalakad lang eh. Third now. Always check the rotating ball first now. Always check the rotating ball. Heal me
Heal
please.
trophy.
I'm dead.
Focus on healing trophy, Dasbo. Just heal trophy. We'll
Second now.
take care of the rest.
Third now. Jairen is dead.
No, he's still alive.
Oh. Don't come near me.
Don't come near us. Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Oh, magic.
Ano yan? Wait
Wala
lang. Focus dodging. Wait, buhay pa ba? Dasbo muna. Wait, I'll revive Dasbo.
Main heal down ha.
Okay. Revive Dasbo. Revive the next healer. Revive Lucy. Dasbo, revive Lucy. DPS, just focus dodging for now. Focus dodging. Jairen.
First now. Dodge. Okay, we can recover this, everyone. Second now. Second now. Thank you. Okay, recover. Don't come
Ay,
near
wala
me.
rin. Ikaw na.
Third now.
Inayo.
I'm fucking dead.
Dasbo just focus on go. I'll heal the rest.
Okay. Stabilize. Watch out for the rotating ball, guys. Watch out. First down. Ooh.
Call the BMS earlier.
Oh. Second down. Third down. Don't come near me. Dodge. Triple defensive now. Conan, God roll, go in the middle.
Come closer. The closer you are from the boss, easier to do.
Easier to
Parang lumabas ka, blazing ka eh.
No.
Dapat dalawang stage lang nasa gitna. Kaya papatay tayo dito, Ornan.
Hindi. Sustain ka.
Dali. Tapos na down.
Okay. I think
Mo na, Mike. Parang di ka naman nagda-dodge ko nun eh. Sinasalo mo lahat eh.
Siyempre.
Okay. Sige. Just revive ko.
Second down.
Kaya, pinris pa.
Tanga, ano yun, pampasave yun sa laser, munti kang katamaan ng laser eh. Hindi mo ba nakita?
Third down.
Touch.
Don't come near me.
Wala nang mana si Jair.
Double bro, double. Double bro. There's come double bro. Oh my god.
First down.
Stop, yan na.
Dodge. Stabilize, everyone. Stabilize. Watch out for the fucking balls. Uy, hindi ko na call yung second. Oh my god, sorry.
I'll drop big heal. Catch big heal.
Third down.
Wait, Penguin I'll revive you in a bit. After the explosion. You have dodge roll, Penguin.
Drop all defensive. Second, first, anything. Posibleng may damage pa yan. Putang ina.
Focus on dodging, Penguin.
Ano yun?
Okay, last 2 bars, everyone. We can do this. This is
Take
our
the-
world record.
Take the inner
Strike.
circle, Dasbo.
That's the Sunstrike, okay.
Oh my god.
Second now. God roll, stick to the party, so you will have mana. Third now. I'm fucking dead.
Buhay ka pa. Si Dasbo focus heal lang naman sa'yo.
Ah. Ball. I don't have my God
Catch
rune.
fallen.
Catch fallen. I'll give you God rune there, okay. First now, thank you.
Oh my god.
Catch fallen. Second now.
Ganyan, napapagod ko yung call ka na.
Ah. Let's go. Third now. Let's go. That's it. Reserve your touch roll.
Big heals. In the
Yes.
middle.
Dropping my fourth. Nice touch. Drop all defensive.
Heal yourself, Lucy. Oh my god, ano yung dinudge mo, Lucy?
Ayaw ka, may na.
Dropping big heal, everyone. Heal yourself, Dasbo. The fuck?
Okay. Go out in the middle now and touch the Sunstrike, please. First. Thank you. I'll give you guard rune. Okay. We can do this. Dash, dash,
Mamatay
strike.
na, mamatay na.
Second. Go.
Keep dodging.
Keep dodging. 3 balls are in me. Third down. I'll give you guard rune. Let's go, boys. Focus on hitting. Surrounding my fort. I don't have my guard rune.
Si puta.
Conan is dead. First down, first down, first down, first down, first down. Thank you. Dodge. Hunting rod. Second down. Dodge.
Oh my god, Conan. Yung
Third
dodge
down,
ni
third
Conan
down, third
papunta
down.
sa
I'm
dami.
fucking dead.
Oh my god, Penguin.
Stay here, Conan. Stay here. Nice.
Sige, sige,
Dropping
thank
my
you.
fort.
Come back, Jaren. I'll drop
Penguin.
Colin in the middle. Big kill in the middle.
Big kill in the middle.
Okay.
Drop all defensive now. Drop all defensive now. Dodge, dodge, dodge. It will hurt. It will hurt. It will hurt.
Oh my
Focus
god,
on
Conan. Yung dodge ni Conan, iba't yung dodge mo, Conan, laging papunta sa damage.
Kill the middle party. Thank you. Okay.
I'll drop
Drop your
it.
first now. Drop your first now.
Goods.
Okay, stabilize everyone. Nice one. 20k. Tangina, tatlong bola na. Second now. I'll give you guard rune there. Go out. Thank you. Nice. Third now. 17k everyone. Fuck this 8.2.
Yan yung bola. Oh.
Carbide point to trophy.
Harap.
Oh my god.
First now, first now, first now.
Buti sana kung ano to eh, no?
Ako na.
Yung 2G.
Boom.
36M. Gogo.
Buti sana kung 2G to eh.
Ako na.
Pahig ako eh.
Mamaya, baka may 2G sa taas. Check natin.
Oh my god, ang aga na buksan, hindi pa ako nakapag-trash.
Wala eh, at yung nagbukas sa atin eh.
Conan, number 1.
Magre-reklamo ka pa, 36M na nga.
36M, nakuha ko nga lang 1M, sipahin kita dyan. Ang dami kong patay ah. Tapang ko yung mga nani. Akin na lang, huwag mo na i-trash. Uy,
Where is that 900k?
Saan yung mahal dito? Ayun. Ako na.
Okay. 81k. Divide 33, 50k. I'll get that 50k.
Puta, may 500k pa.
May 500k pa.
Nandyan lang yan.
Nandiyan lang yan. Hindi mo na mahanap.
bigyan mo na sa scout yan, bigyan mo na sa scout.
Yagi, hindi nakatawid si Mirai, sayang. Ay, si Mikay. Mikay Mirai tuloy.
Ayaw pala, hindi siya nakatawid.
Kawawa ka naman, Mikay. Ang dami pa loot dito, Mikay, 5M. Free loot na. Oo nga, no, free loot. Ah, kawawa yung mga hindi na loot. Utag na.
Puta, pre.
5M loot, motherfuckers!
Uy, saan yan? Scout yan, uy, sino naglulot yan?
O, yun.
Hindi nakatawid si Mekay.
Uy.
Nakatawid ka ba, Mekay?
Buksan na natin, sayang to, 5M.
Kunin nyo na yan. Puno naman na ako eh. Kahit basagin nyo tong gate, wala na ako madadala.
Sige, sige.
Okay, noted.
Madali kami kausap.
Madali kami kausap, tol.
Uy, gago ba hindi ka makuha ng mapa sa inyo? Ang babait nyo naman. Di ba? Ito, nag-upgrade pa naman.
Rogi, may mga ano pa oh.
Gagi, may ano po.
Ay na napulot! Gago!
Gago, nakita ko yan. T8 yun, no?
Ano yung T8 Cleric Cowl?
Oo.
Di, yung isa pa.
Yung Night Helm. Ang inaano yun, ba't di kayo nagpupulot? Kaganda na itong mga to.
Wala na. Puno na ako. Meron pa ba mapulot?
Saan sino nag-iwan na ito? Artifact ng ano? Hollow Pool.
Mamaya napulutin ko. Balik mo.
Wala na.
Mapupulot talaga yan.
Wala na. Tataka niya maglot eh. May hindi pumapulot ng artifact. Bigyan mo sa inyo iba. Matutuwa pa ako sa'yo.
Share your blessings.
Nasaan na yung magandang loot dyan?
Wala na, tapos na. Tara, goodbye na.
Mitak mabigat. Ano?
Hold
Pwede ko
muna tayo
i-trash.
dito.
Ang bigat. Ang bigat. May second floor pa guys.
May
Second
ano,
floor pa, let's
may
fix
pork
that.
pie ako. 1M. Ay, 500k.
Scammer pa.
Isang slot pa ako.
Anong mabigat sa akin? Trash ko na kaya tong direwolf ko.
We'll
500
break
feet.
another gate. We'll break another gate. Eh.
Sa trash mo eh, 500k yan.
Yun nga eh.
Walang, papalit mo lang 50k. Grabe ka naman.
Naghahanap ako ng mabigat eh. Mamaya na nga, mag-carry weight muna ako.
Yung mga bato, yung mga bato.
Everyone has envy, right?
Envy pots, yun yun.
Envy pots, yeah.
Ito, bigyan kita pork pie. Dala ko pork pie ko eh.
If you have
ito,
envy
ito,
pots,
switch on.
Hindi, wag naman eh. Wag naman eh. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
equip your envy pots. We're gonna envy through this bird. I don't have a calming already.
Sige.
Uy,
Bago nag-vlog ako.
nagbulag bigla, no? Patay si Daspo. Patay din ako, gago.
Buti wala.
Go, go!
Nakalot na ako eh.
Doon pa nga.
Ginagawa, ba't di kayo nag-invest? Ba't?
Go, go!
Gagi, masakit kasi yan eh. Envy pots nyo na lang yan. Wag nyo
Oo,
ias.
Spirit.
Tinipid eh, gago. Repair tuloy kayo ng ano.
Kami hindi pa.
Masakit yan, hindi yan T8 na isasaluhin niyo ilang tira bago mag-envy.
Magre-repair tuloy kayo ng
Wala na, wala na.
1G,
patay na
1G
ako.
kayo sa first floor?
Oh.
Tapos may second
may
floor pa?
4G sa
Sana all. Ay, well.
4G second floor. Oo. Na-check na ka namin kanina.
Sheesh.
Ano
Free
pa?
boss, tapos
Yung
ano
mga
pa?
madaling boss na lang yung sa second floor eh.
Go,
Night,
pre,
3 boss,
patay
as
na
last
ako.
boss.
Pangit.
Break the gate,
Ano?
everyone.
I-break ba natin to? Tititigan lang natin.
Break the gate, break the gate.
Tinititigan namin kung sino ano eh.
Ah,
Yung
that's bo, 6 to heal. That's bo, 6 to heal.
Mamatay si ano, King.
Mamamatay tayo lahat dito.
Makakapagpalit pa ba ako? Makakapagpalit pa ba ako? Ayan, nakapagpalit ako 10 seconds.
Tinitigan ko. Yung great na ta.
Hildot mo?
Ba't di mo nakita yun?
Feeling ko, baka mga relic o kaya hollow fall.
Oh, baka yun nga yun. Yun na yun na hollow pool. Kanina yung hollow pool artifact na nabulot ko. 08. Oo.
Gagi, may mga swap, hindi nyo pa naman trinash yung swap nyo, di ba? May second floor pa.
Ay, tinaba ko na Royal Sunrise ko. Sana hindi nabasa. Wala na din tayo malulot eh. Babalikan na lang natin ito mamaya. Pag may laman.
MI2G. Tag-ina.
Tangina,
Paldo tayo lahat. Paldo din yung scout.
Skip to, no?
For the win, no?
Uy, tinulak ako.
Sunod kayo sa akin guys ha. Paunahin niya ako. Paunahin niya ako.
Scam yan. Bigla-bigla mag-inbo yan pag nasa kalagitnaan na kayo.
Susunod kaya, susunod. 1, 2, 3, follow me, King. Follow me.
Na-down na naman si Conan. Dami mo ng down. Gagi kasi pinapanood ko si Conan kanina.
Down po si ano.
Lahat halos ang daming roll ni Conan na papunta sa damage.
Dapat pre-map to sa akin trophy. Tingnan mo yung repair ko trophy.
Ilan na?